Start by putting on the provided washer that came with your torque converter kit. Then there's a spacer that you also put on right after the washer. Then you can mount on your torque converter bracket that has the driven pulley on it. The bolts you're going to be using are 1 inch long 5/16-24 bolts. If they don't come with your kit, you can get them from your local hardware store. And you're going to want to tighten those guys up. Just snug is fine. Next, you're going to put on part of your driver pulley, and you can put your brass bushing where you see it on the video. Make sure it's flush with the mount. Now you can mount your belt. Your belt has a flat and angled side. You're going to put the flat side closest to the engine. That's the side that's flat against the part of the driver pulley that you just put on. Next, you're going to put the driver pulley assembly on. When you put the bolt on with the driver pulley, make sure it's flush with the torque converter. It should click in place. And I recommend using an impact gun to tighten it down. Extra notes, just make sure that if you're using a number 35 chain on a smaller mini bike or go-kart, that you use the 12 tooth on the jack shaft. If you're using a number 40 or a 420 chain, you use the 10 tooth, which is usually installed already on the jack shaft. If you want to find this kit, you can find it on Amazon for $60. There's many sources that sell it, and I've never had any issues with the torque converter.